Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The funeral of my name is Winda. I from the informatics study program. Okay, so this time I will explain the 5 types of software on the computer, namely Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Smadav, and Adobe Photoshop. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a program that is part of the Microsoft Office installation file function as word processing software covering creating, editing, and formatting documents. Word processing software or word processing is a program used to process documents in the form of text as letters, working paper, brochure, business card, books, journal, and other. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Office PowerPoint or PowerPoint is a computer program for presentation developed by Microsoft entire Office application file. Microsoft Office in addition to Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, and several other programs. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Office Excel is a spreadsheet application program created and distributed by Microsoft Corporation and run on Microsoft Windows and Macs. Also, this application is part of the Microsoft Office system. Smadav. Smadav, written as Smadavi, is an antivirus software aimed at dealing with local and international computer virus variants spreading in Indonesia. This antivirus has a free and a paid version of the revolutionary begin and clarity software. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, or commonly called Photoshop, is an image editor software by an Adobe system that is developed to editing photo or image and creating effects. For us, software that is often used is Microsoft Word. This reason I often use Microsoft Word is because it functions as a word processing software, including creating, editing, and formatting documents. Word processing software or word processing is a program used to process documents in the form of text as letters, working paper, brochure, business card, book, journal, and others.